Imagine this. 2030. An AI writes flawless code in 10 seconds, launches $1 billion startup overnight, but one human clicks stop and saves the world from disaster. Who was that human? A pure coder? Or a deep thinker? Welcome to Wise Owl. Today we settle the ultimate showdown. The coder versus the thinker who owns tomorrow. Your desk runs on AI-written code. Hello Wise Owl family. Today we uncover the biggest battle of the future. The coder versus the thinker. Who will win? Stay until the end, because the answer could transform your career. Title card plus Wise Owl eyes blinking. According to the World Economic Forum's 2025 Future of Jobs report, in the next 5 years, 92 million jobs will disappear, but 170 million new ones will emerge. This is an update from their 2020 forecast of 85 million losses, showing acceleration due to AI advancements. The biggest shift? AI has made coding 100 times faster, with tools processing billions of parameters in real time. The coder, GitHub Copilot, powered by WRITES code 10 times faster than an average programmer. Microsoft reports 55% productivity gain in internal tests. GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 handle complex algorithms with 90% accuracy on benchmarks like the thinker, strategy, ethics, creativity, decision-making areas AI hasn't fully mastered yet, as evidenced by AI failures and nuanced ethical dilemmas, like the 2023 trolley problem simulations where models contradict human consensus 40% of the time. The question: if AI becomes the coder, what does the human do? The answer: become the thinker. But that's not enough. AI writes 1,000 lines of code in 1 minute. Human, 1 hour. Source: GitHub, benchmarks, 2024. The coder AI plus programmer first side, the coder. In 2025, Google and Microsoft have cut programmer roles by 30%, as AI automates 80% of coding tasks, per their Q3 2025 earnings reports, with AI reducing development cycles from weeks to days. Low-code, no-code platforms like Bubba and Adalo. Even marketers are building apps now. Bubble reports over 4 million apps created by non-coders since 2020. Risk: routine coders vanish. McKinsey Global Institute predicts 45% of coding activities automatable by 2030. Opportunity: engineers who manage AI earning $300,000 plus annually. Asper labels. FYI, 2025 salary data for roles at Meta and Open. Codere AI. Engineer. Evolution: the thinker strategy plus ethics plus creativity. Second side. The thinker: what AI still can't do. Ethical decisions like, should AI weapons be deployed? AI models show bias in 70% of military simulation tests. Rand Corporation, 2024. True creativity. Original ideas. Cultural context. AI generates derivatives. But human patents in AI-assisted inventions rose only 15%. While pure AI ones are invalid under current USPTO rules. Empathy. Understanding clients. Leadership. Harvard Business Review studies show AI lacks emotional intelligence, scoring below 20% on empathy benchmarks vs humans at 85%. Example: at OpenAI, Sam Altman, the thinker, directs the AI, not the other way around. He oversees ethical guidelines that prevented unsafe releases in 2024. AI writes the code, humans set the purpose. Now, the core question: who will win? The answer: neither alone. The future belongs to the hybrid human, the coder thing. Elon Musk codes personally. He reviewed Tesla's FSD code in 2025 plus studies philosophy, citing Stoicism in interviews. Sundar Pichai, engineer background plus strategist, leading Google's AI ethics board. WEF prediction: by 2030, The top skill will be collaborating with AI. To 39% of core skills will change, with AI literacy demanded in 70% of jobs. WEF 2025. Meaning, let AI code. You ask the questions. Hybrid equals 3x more opportunities. LinkedIn data. Hybrid skilled workers see 3x faster promotions. What should you do? 5 steps. Learn AI tools. ChatGPT. Start with free tiers. Users report 40% time savings productivity studies. 2025. Read Philosophy Stoicism. Seneca, for wisdom. Letters from a Stoic builds decision-making frameworks used by 60% of Fortune 500 CEOs. Practice questioning why, not just how. Critical thinking boosts career advancement by 25%. Gallup meta-analysis. Start a small project AI. Plus creative idea, like building a personal app, minus 80% of successful side hustles. Begin this way. Side Hustle Nation Survey. 1 new skill daily. Transform in 30 days. Compounding leads to expert level in 1 year. Anders Ericsson's 10,000 hour rule adapted. In summary, the future isn't for the coder or the thinker alone. It's for those who combine both. Which side will you choose? Comment below. Next video. AI will change your job in 6 months. How to prepare. Subscribe and hit the bell. Join the Wise All family. Wisdom is 1 step a day. Thank you.